Hi everyone, welcome to Kitabi Cabins. If you're new here, my name is Charu, and if you are not new here, my name is Tel Charu. Today I am back with our annual tradition of 6 monthly wrap up. We will sit down and go through all the books I've read in this year so far. I'd love to know how has your reading year been so far. I'd love for you to comment down one book that you want everyone to read and one book that disappointed you the most. Honestly, this has been a decent reading year so far, so much better than the last reading year if you were following me back then. The year started a little slow with a few hit and miss, but I'm enjoying reading so much right now, and I say this while I touch all the wood around me. But yes, I've been reading some really good bangers back to back, and reading feels fun again. I started my year with Sayaka Murata's The Vanishing World. The premise of this book is so strong. Oh my god, I had so much expectations. I even enjoyed reading this book, but it just could not end up to my expectations. तो मुझे इसकी वजह से ये किताब पसंद नहीं आई है, एंड आई डू नॉट वांट टू से कि ये किताब अच्छी नहीं है, मुझे पसंद नहीं आई है, एंड आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में मैं आपका रीडिंग एक्सपीरियंस भी खराब कर दूँ इस किताब के बारे में. I'll tell you what the book is about. The book is set in a dystopian world where the ideas of physical intimacy are null. If you want to have a child as a parent, you will have to go through artificial insemination clinics, and this is just a very normal norm for everyone. If you want to have a child, you will have it artificially in a clinic, and this is their everyday life. So when our protagonist gets to know that she has been naturally conceived, और वो सबको जब बात पता लगती है, it gets a thing of shame. सब उसको उंगली करके हो कर रहे हैं कि look at her, she has been naturally conceived. ये तो कितनी शर्म की बात है. This is such a promising premise. I was expecting so much because there are such interesting ideas that rise up from this plot. How does intimacy look differently in this world? How does the structure of family change? What does love mean in this society? So many great things to explore on, but the book just ended up disappointing me so much. I've also been reading quite a lot of graphic novels, and yes, I do consider them reading in my collection. The first graphic novel I read this year was Piper. Piper is written by J. Asher, the same author from 13 Reasons Why. It is basically a dark retelling of The Piped Piper. It was a great filler read in between. Another graphic novel that I read and absolutely loved was Embroideries by Marjane Satrapi. I also read this book not too long before Marjane Satrapi passed away. It was such a sad news. I cannot remember any book having as much effect on me as much Persepolis did when I was 16. I exactly remember where I was sitting while I was reading that book. The premise of the book is incredibly simple. It is set over a lunch kitty party-ish situation where women in a room are having tea and gossiping and talking about marriage and relationships and having boyfriends and husbands, all the things that you can talk about when men leave the room. It is so funny, so intimate, and so incredibly honest, and I would love for you to pick it up. ये बहुत पतली है as compared to Persepolis as well. Another great graphic novel that I read this year was In. In follows the story of this boy who is unable to have great connections with people, and the entire book is painted, made, drawn, illustrated in black and white. But the moment our protagonist boy has a genuine connection with anyone, we see burst of colors in the pages. Such a simple visual idea, and it works so well. Had lovely time reading this one as well. Another very fat book that I started this year was Behave by Robert Sapolsky. Behave was our ABAM for January, and hence I picked it up. It is not one book that you can just pick it up और वो खत्म भी हो जाएगी एक reading में. I keep going back to this book, and I'm thoroughly enjoying this book, I'll tell you. Robert Sapolsky is a biologist. He is very popular for the lecture series on human evolutionary behavioral biology on the internet, if I'm correct. The book is equally as good. He is so well at presenting information to you on the plate. He will give you such interesting anecdotes and stories and weave all this information in such a beautiful form and present you on this plate, and you will just be in awe reading him in this work. This is slightly heavier on the academic side. अगर आप एक एक चैप्टर पढ़ते हुए नहीं जा रहे हो and you keep jumping from one chapter to the other, I think आपको थोड़ा सा distant और disconnected feel हो सकता है इस किताब में. But the work is very dense he has done in here, and it demands attention and time, and I'm giving it all that I have. I genuinely think if you are even remotely interested in psychology, human behavior and biology, you will have such a great time reading this book. Another very cozy read that I read was Remarkably Bright Creatures, which was also adapted into a Netflix adaptation. And I think all of us know what we feel about the Netflix adaptations. But the book was a very warm read. It reads so nice. I'll tell you what the premise is about. The story follows this elderly woman who is working at this aquarium, and she forms a very strong and intimate bond with a Pacific Ocean octopus that was there in the aquarium there. And I think what the adaptation could not capture was the charm of the octopus inner voice. वो उसमें dedicated chapters है book में of the octopus, what he thinks about human being as a species, of whatever he is observing from his little aquarium, all the musings, everything that he thinks about us as a species. वो बहुत ही एक wise तरीके से दिखाया गया है उसको, और वो फिल्म में कहीं पे भी ट्रांसलेट नहीं हो पाई है. But yeah, the book was a very nice warm read. I think you all would enjoy reading this one. Another book I read that I think I also mentioned in one of the vlogs when I was starting to read this one was Janet McCurdy's Half His Age. I had such a ball reading this book. I think a lot of people will pick this up for the premise of the book, and I think I also mentioned it before as well. The book is about this 17-year-old girl who gets into a relationship with her English teacher who is a married man. The story is very problematic. People will suddenly put it into the same genre of Lolita and such as films and books that try to romanticize these kind of relationships. But I'll tell you, if you have read any of Janet McCurdy's other work, her I'm Glad My Mom Died, you will instantly see her voice in this one. The book is never trying to romanticize this relationship. What it is actually doing here is stripping down all the fantasies associated with these kind of tropes, and what you're left by the end of it is just a very, very sad story. I think when you'll read it, you'll realize it yourself on how many layers and layers of such intense dynamics the writer here has played around with. Another book that I read this year was Spring by Alice Smith, and I have a very genuine question for all the people who have read Spring and I've loved it. Why is it that you like this book? This is a very genuine question coming out of my heart because मुझे तो समझ ही नहीं आ पाई ये किताब. Very honestly speaking, this was our ABAM. मैंने बहुत ही चाह से उठाई थी. I had heard such great stuff about this book from people I respect so much. I think maybe it could be my problem as well. I think I realized this while reading 2-3 books back to back. I think I've developed a kind of apathy as I grew up older on how I just can't seem to care enough about people who will start name dropping a lot of people in their book. And this was not me. I'll tell you, the first time I picked up The Movable Feast by Ernest Hemingway, I was so overwhelmed with all of that information. वो हर story में he's mentioning some other cafe, he is mentioning some other name of the artist or another writer, but maybe I had the time or I was in that headspace where I could be patient and look up to all these people, and now these stories are such close to me कि अब मुझे लगता है मेरी ही gossips है, मेरी ही कहानी है, extended part of my life है. But I just could not seem to care enough about these books. I'll tell you, Spring is a part of collection of the 4 other books Alice Smith has written along, where we are following the life in Britain. We are talking about the politics, filmmakers, artists of the region. Although I did enjoy कि वो आप रिलके की बातें कर रहे हो, you're mentioning some other writers and authors, but it was just exhausting for me at some point. You are talking about people on the commanders and the lieutenants of your wars. I am barely able to catch up on to the politics of my own country. How do you expect me to catch up on to the same thing for Britain as well? It was just very exhausting, and I think this was the same time around I picked up Patti Smith's memoir Bread of Angels. Patti Smith I enjoyed reading, but the same exact thing happened with me in here. और memoir में तो आपको चाहिए ही कि you are invested in that person's story, वरना तो आप how can you sit along with them? But maybe I am थोड़ा सा ऐसा मैं भाग रही हूँ of these people who keep mentioning and referencing to a lot of people, or maybe this was just a phase and I could not enjoy reading these authors as much. And yes, I have read some other short books I keep mentioning here and there. I read Ponachi, which was such a great read. Another ABM, Paradise of Food, that I made instantly a reel on when I talked about it. Susan Sontag was there. I also read a lot of Murakami this year, which I think I'll be talking about in another separate video, because the first time I gave Murakami chance वो मेरा इतना अच्छा experience नहीं रहा था. But I do have some thoughts about it. I think उसके बारे में अलग से बात करेंगे. So yes, this is how half of my year has looked like. I hope more great books are waiting for me and for you ahead, and do let me know how is your reading year going so far. And as always, thank you for being here, thank you for being kind, and I will see you next time.